Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel Famous Kitchen. Today we are going to prepare egg kabab. To make this recipe, the ingredients we needed is 3 eggs, oil, teju kabab masala, 1 packet. Let's get started. I've added these 3 eggs to the cooker and I'm going to leave it for 3 whistles. Now this is the third whistle. It has been cooked. Now I'm going to remove this. One egg has been spoiled. Now I'm going to make this recipe in 2 eggs. Sorry friends. Now I'm going to peel these eggs. Please tolerate my voice because I have cold. Now I've taken 1 packet of teju masala, kabab masala, and using little by little water and mix it. Do not pour too much of water, then it will become more liquidy. See, it should be like this. If you want, you can add little more water and mix it like this. This is the perfect consistency. It should be like this. Now I'm going to add these 2 eggs in it and cut them like this. 1 egg, 2 pieces. It's slipping like this. You should cut and turn this egg, give a small cut back side also, so that these masalas will enter this very easily and it will be very spicy and tasty to have. Now apply it like this. To all these pieces. If this masala is left over also, then also you can use it in the tawa. When you fry this, you can apply if you need more masala. Eat it for 5 minutes. I've taken a tawa, let it heat. It has been heated. I'm going to add this oil, let it also get heated. It also been heated very well. I'm going to add these eggs like this. Turn it like this. See how good it looks. It's very easy and tasty. You can keep the flame in high also because this is been boiled first. It's not raw now. Only we need this crispiness, and only this masala should be fried. Now I'm going to press it like this. See, it looks good. No, still now it has not been very crispy. Now please press this like this and leave it for 2 minutes. It has been fried now. See how good it looks like. Now I'm going to remove this from the tawa and serve it. Remove the oil and then serve, because excess oil is not good for health. Please, or put on the tissue paper for 2 minutes and then serve. Now it's ready to serve. Please share your experience in the below comment section. Like our video, share our video, subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon to get a notification of all my videos. Bye bye.